Let's do a Chipotle mukbang. This is not my normal setup. I didn't feel like getting out of bed. I got a quesadilla that looks really burnt. Alright, let's just eat it anyways because I'm hungry. I mean, like, it's okay. The sauces are like the best part. It's crazy. There's like nothing in here. Like, it tastes good. There's just like no food here. I miss when you used to be able to go in and order these, because now I feel like when you get them, because you can only mobile order them, and they stiff you so bad. And all of the chicken has just been like burnt black pieces.